All right, everyone, welcome back. A little progress video of Stella here. Just got done putting the new wheels and tires on it. Got a rather large set of wheels and tires in the back. Probably show a little video of those later. Let's do a little walk around under the hood. See everything that's done under here. Got the distributor and ignition, fuel lines. Hid the regulator down there. Hopefully that don't cause me any trouble. But I've converted heater hoses. Everything's AN fitting. Radiator hoses, AN. There's the fans. Trans lines, cooler lines, lower radiator hose. Got all the battery feeds. Don't pay any attention to those covers. I got to redo those. It got a little busy over here. Sometimes that happens. It's a car. Fancy little 4-post MSD relay. EFI triggers 2 of those, which is pretty cool. An extra trans cooler. Those auto plumb fittings are beautiful. Let's go down in here a little bit. Look at I found these clamps, I love them. I've got one more cable to run up, which is the alternator feed. Got that wire to hook up. Windshield wiper motor. Got to make some tabs for that little wire there, the CTS. Mount a vacuum canister up underneath there. I may put another video together underneath the dash. There's a ton of work under there. But for now, I think I'll leave this one as it is. See you next time.